Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang hangin. Sundin ang batas, unawain ang layunin.
Sa atin pong DAO 2014-02 entitled Revised Guidelines for PCO Accreditation, particularly Section 6 ng Department Order na nasambit, talks about qualification requirements for pollution control officers. Kadalasan tinatanong, ano ba ang qualification ng isang PCO? Sa Section 6, Qualification Requirements for PCO, ito po ang mababasa sa item number 1, Basic Qualifications. The PCO, a Filipino citizen of legal age with good moral character and mentally and physically healthy. Full-time employee of the establishment where he or she is being appointed or designated as PCO and has completed the basic PCO training course by an EMB recognized training organization or institution within the last 3 years. So mapapansin nyo rito na ang isang PCO ay kailangan Filipino, full-time employee, and completed the basic PCO training course. So maraming nag-o-offer ng basic PCO training, iba't ibang training institution, iba't ibang training organization. Pero same lang yan na module. At yung certificate of PCO training, ang siyang magsasabing qualified nga ang isang PCO. Maliban sa iba pang mga requirement. So, hindi lang training requirement ang ino-observe, gaya ng minimum competency requirement. So, meron pang competency requirement aside from training requirement. At dito sa Section 6, as part of qualification requirement for PCO, titingnan yung competency requirement at nakadepende ito sa category ng establishment. Meron tayong dalawang categories, Category A establishments and Category B establishments. May kanya-kanya silang competency requirement, meaning pagdating sa educational background at saka work experience. So makikita natin na medyo relax ang competency requirement for Category A at medyo stringent pagka nasa Category B establishment. Sa Category A, sinasambit dito, graduate of any related technical course, had reached third year in tertiary level education, had been with establishment for at least 3 years in a supervisory position or in a responsible position or equivalent experience. And for Category B establishments, dapat licensed engineers or chemists with at least 2 years relevant experience in environmental management, professionals in the field of engineering or physical and natural sciences with at least 3 years relevant experience in environmental management, or other professionals of appropriate discipline with at least 5 years relevant experience in environmental management. So yan yung competency requirement aside for the training requirement as basic qualification for pollution control officers. So kung mapapansin mo, medyo nauunang sinasambit yung training requirement. Ito yung basic PCO training course. So kung gusto mong umattend ng basic PCO training, Ang JP Environment Consultancy Services, a recognized training institution, will be offering a basic PCO training on May 12 to 15, 2026 at El Grande Residencia Hotel and Resort, Barangay San Carlos, Lipas City, Batangas. Again, basic PCO training to be conducted on May 12 to 15, 2026 in Lipas City, Batangas. So if you want to join the said training, you can contact 0917 360-1178. 0917-360-1178 or 0998-543-5466. 0998-543-5466 or mag-email po sa jpex.training@gmail.com. jpex.training@gmail.com. So yan ang ating basis kung bakit may mga umaattend ng PCO training dahil sa Section 6 qualification requirements for PCO.